Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to arrange files in folder full guide. Begin by creating a high-level folder for each major area and move related files into these folders immediately. Choose a clear naming pattern like project name date or subject v1 and rename files in bulk. Remove duplicates and delete obsolete files to reduce clutter. Make an index or README file inside each folder to describe contents and shortcuts for easy access. Establishing a naming strategy reduces hunting and confusion when you search later. Start with a predictable order such as client, project, date to keep sorting logical. Use consistent separators like underscores or hyphens and avoid spaces if possible for compatibility. Include version indicators like V1 or V2 for drafts and add keywords for quick search hits. If many files belong to one sequence, pad numbers with zeros so sorting stays correct. Design a folder hierarchy that matches how you think about work, not how software suggests it. Start with 3 to 7 top-level folders and create deeper folders only as needed to avoid complexity. Group by project, client, or topic and place common assets in a shared folder to reduce duplication. Use aliases, bookmarks, or a tagging system to access deep folders quickly and keep the structure predictable for collaborators.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.